Okay, the build's all done. Successfully built 61F42 blah blah blah. Should be in our image list. Yeah, good. Right, so we can now launch a container from that. So docker run -d map port 80 on our host to 80 in our container and base it on our new image. Looks good. Yeah, marvelous. Moment of truth then, I guess. Let's see if we can connect to it from a web browser. Now, our container's running on our Ubuntu host, and its DNS name is ubuntu 1404.docker.course. And there we go, the default web page for an Apache web server running on an Ubuntu server. Now, just to clarify, we're connecting to our Ubuntu Docker host on port 80, and that request is then being mapped through to port 80 on our Apache web server container, which obviously is running the HTTP daemon and listening on port 80. The point being, right, this web page that we're looking at, beautiful as it is, is coming from our container. In fact, let's go and stop our container. Taking a second or two, seeing as it's sending a graceful SIG term, basically letting the HTTP daemon clean itself up. Okay, back to our browser, F5 to refresh, and it's gone. It's not there anymore, because we've stopped our container. Magic. Okay, before we add more detail to our web server and our Dockerfile, we're just going to take a quick look at how we can write our Dockerfile in a better way so we avoid creating unnecessary layers.